Disclaimer: the recipe you are about to watch is not authentic Mexican cuisine. However, if you would like to see a recipe that is delicious, easy, and that even your picky eater would enjoy, then let's cook. The secret to this recipe is keep it simple, okay? Now for this recipe, here are our ingredients. We have pork roast right here. And then we have Tone's taco seasoning. We have about a tablespoon because we have 2 pounds of this pork roast. Then we have freshly cut onions and green peppers. And remember, if you always want to add more spice, you can add any peppers you want. We've adapted this recipe to make it family friendly because this is a family friendly channel, Alfred. I'm Batman. We have some very picky eaters in our family. I wonder who that could be. Okay, so before we start cooking up the pan, we're going to put a splash of olive oil into our chicken fryer that will be housed our pork roast. There. Alright, so the meat and the onions and the peppers are finally done. So this is what they're looking like after we've cooked them. We've added the taco seasoning and we flipped them multiple times, making sure everything got nice and golden brown. Okay, so we have our fajita right here. And you know, let's get the peppers, the onions, the meat. I overstuffed it a little bit. And so let's give it our taste test. Okay, so I'm gonna say, for me, 10 out of 10 chef's kiss perfection. The peppers, the onions really add to the flavor, you know. They're nice and sauteed, nice and, you know, not hard anymore. You know, I'm not a big fan of peppers raw. I'm more of a fan of peppers cooked. That's why I really like them, like, you know, baked in a pizza or cooked with fajitas. So there you have it. A wonderful recipe straight from my home kitchen to yours that I can 90% guarantee your kids will love. This is the Crazy Chef signing off.
This makes no sense. It's something we're supposed to
The secret to the recipe. Bleh. And intervention's not going to, but we're going to bloopers. Hi! Today I will be using pork roast, taco seasoning, olive oil, green bell peppers, and onions. I already read that.
That's okay. It's all right. Just keep going.
And remember, remember, if you want more spice, you can use whatever peppers or seasoning you want. This recipe has been adapted to make it family friendly. We have eater. Okay, this is going to the bloopers. Our little script here says, today I will be a pork roast. Goodbye. I am now this. Goodbye.
Batman.